Hey, Don, the nearly historical railroad channel. Out shopping for something. Welcome to this video and this channel. If you haven't seen our other videos, check them out if you like this one. Anyways, I do model railroading type of stuff. I try to be a little different than other videos out there. Why not? So anyways, this is no change from that, trying to be a little different. Anyways, it's kind of a shorter video, and I'm gonna break it up into 4 different parts. Kind of like 4 different options for a meal. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. So anyways, part 1 and part 2 is kind of 2 different milestones on our little layout, so that's kind of cool. Part 3 is going to be just running some trains a little bit. Got a little bit of video of it, so I'll show you that. Part 4 is the end of the video. So anyways, I think just to be really different, let's start with the end, but stick around for the rest of the video. All right, here we go, part 4. Well, that's about it. My dad and I ran trains a bunch. Showed you a little bit of that. Anyways, catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye. Right, it's Don, the Nearly Historical Railroad Channel. That's Don with the Nearly Historical Railroad Channel. Can I show you something real quick that you've never seen before? I've never seen it before, really. All right, so here's our cement plant and blah, 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 all this stuff. And down here in this canyon, look at that. There's a locomotive powered up. My dad actually drove it down there. I've never seen anything run down there. We've never had that hooked up. So this is the track that goes down to that lower staging yard. This is the underside of the layout. And there's where it comes out under the layout. And my dad still has feeder wires to actually connect, but he's got enough connected to at least try it out. He cleaned the track, and it's working. And that loops around up here. And that brings it up near that other small yard we have. So that comes out and connects into our small yard that we have up here. So that will connect our big staging yard underneath. So, I'm on the other side of that yard. That's where it comes out to. So this is good. That track is tested and cleaned. Kinda has power. Like I said, we have to hook up more feeders and stuff to it. But that is progress towards the staging yard. So, under the staging yard, also known as the pinball machine, we got 3 more of the micro switches hooked up. That one. This one. And this one. I had to do that one a little differently. This seems to be working okay.
No shades, just vibes, I'm chillin'. Too cool to play like the villain. Keep tabs on tabs, got feelings, got proof, man's got a vision. Make noise when I'm on a mission. Got love, long-term division. Stand by and wait for admission. Hardcore, check your physician. I'm going head first. Sometimes you gotta take a dive. Step up or get hurt. Here we go again. Here we go again. Come on. Put me on the man, I'm the man. Round it up, 10 out of 10. Come on. go again.